Hello, my name is Alani. My parents give me the power of choice. They do this using something called limit setting. Limit setting gives me two choices to choose from. When I get to choose, I learn responsibility and self-control. This is how my parents set a limit. Acknowledge my feeling. Communicate the limit. Target alternate behaviors. Would you like an example? I wanted to throw my baseball in the house. My parents acknowledged that I was excited to throw a baseball in the house, but the baseball is not for throwing in the house. Then, they gave me two alternate choices. After acknowledging my feeling, they said, you can choose to throw the baseball in the backyard, or you can choose to throw a plushie ball in the house. I chose to play with my baseball in the backyard. I even spent time with my puppy outside. Making choices helps me be responsible for my own well-being.